climbers at Yosemite's El Capitan witnessed the tragic moment a piece of rock the size of an apartment building fell off the mountain, leaving one person dead and one injured. At least 30 climbers were on the wall at the time the rock fell, and several people made emergency calls reporting the incident from El Capitan, which is one of the world's largest granite monoliths, towering 4,000 feet above Yosemite Valley. One of the climbers scaling El Capitan at the time said, "I saw a piece of rock, white granite, the size of an apartment building, at least 100 feet by 100 feet, suddenly just come peeling off the wall with no warning." Authorities have not revealed the names of the injured person or the fatal victim. The president and founder of the Yosemite Climbing Association also described the rock fall, estimating the relatively thin piece that broke off covered an area big enough to fit 5 houses.